Hi everyone, today we are going to see about object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, we are going to see about the topic inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism of driving new class from an existing class. The existing class is also called as base class or superclass or parent class, or also we can call it as old class. Okay. The new class is known as derived class or subclass or child class. It allows us to use the properties and behavior of one class, that is parent class, in another class that is called as child class. A class whose properties are inherited is known as parent class, and the class that inherits the properties of parent class is known as the child class. So thus it establishes a relationship between parent and child class that is known as parent-child or is a relationship. Suppose there are two classes named father and child, and if we want to inherit the properties of father class in child class, we can achieve this by using the keyword extends. So for inheritance we are using the keyword extends. So here let us see about the example in a diagram. That is, first one is parent class. It consists of properties and behavior. The property are in the squares and the behavior are in the circle. It is given a circle. Properties and behavior of the specific to parent. Then and in the next class, using the keyword extension, we can use the inheritance and we can give the inherited properties as dotted pictures. That is the child class. The properties and behavior of the parent is given in the child class also. Next, let us see about the various types of inheritance. Java supports various types of inheritance. They are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So let us see each and every one. That is, a single inheritance means there is only one parent class and only one base class. That is called as single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means there is a single parent class, there is a various base class available, and also from the base class there is also subclass available. That is called as multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means there can be a multiple single parent class, and there will also be a multiple child class, and there will be also a multiple sub child classes. So hybrid inheritance consists of many parent class are clubbed together with the multiple child class. That is called as hybrid inheritance. That is, it is a combination of single and multi-level inheritance. In single inheritance, a subclass is derived from only one superclass. It inherits the properties and behavior of a single parent class, and it is also known as simple inheritance or single inheritance. For example, employer is a superclass which consists of the subclass executive. So it inherits the properties. Next one is, we are going to see about multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class is derived from another class which is also derived from another class, and it is called as multi-level inheritance. In simple words, we can say that a class that has more than one parent class is called as multi-level inheritance. Note that the classes must be at different levels. Hence there exists a single base class and single derived class, but multiple intermediate base class. Student is the superclass, where marks are subclass, and sports are the derived class. Next example for multi-level inheritance. Next one is hierarchical inheritance. If a number of classes are derived from a single base class, it is called as hierarchical inheritance. Example, student is a superclass where science, commerce, arts are the different level of subclasses available. And last one is hybrid inheritance. As we see in it, hybrid means consisting more than one. Hybrid inheritance is the combination of one or more type of inheritance. So here this example given as a grandfather, father and then son or daughter. So in the above figure, grandfather is a superclass. The father class inherits the property of grandfather class. Since the father and grandfather represent a single inheritance, further the father class is inherited by son and daughter. Thus the father becomes the parent and also class for son and daughter. These classes represent the hierarchical inheritance. So combination of this hierarchical inheritance and single inheritance is called as hybrid inheritance. Thank you.